Festive season is just around the corner and sweets are a must. And if it is homemade, then it's even 10 times more better. Keeping this concept in mind, I have a delicious, creamy, and melt in the mouth coconut barfi recipe for you that you can try at your home this festive season. The recipe is pretty simple and straightforward. Heat enough ghee in a pan like 2 tablespoons and a dry roast 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut. If you don't want to dry roast it, you can completely skip this step, but I'm roasting it until it attains a nice slight brown tinge. Once it is aromatic, switch off the flame and add 1 cup of condensed milk. Mix it well until it clumps together. For added flavor, add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything together until it combines well and make sure that you do not turn the flame on. Grease and line a container with baking paper. Once the mixture has cooled down completely, split it into 2 equal parts. Add the remaining half to the greased tray and press it down firmly. Use any flavoring of choice and food color for the second part. Here I've used half teaspoon of pink food color. Add the remaining mixture to the same tray and press it down firmly. Garnish with some desiccated coconut and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Once it is set well, allow it to come down to room temperature, cut it into smaller cubes and serve. And here we have the super tasty and just 3 ingredient coconut ice or coconut barfi ready to be served. Do give this recipe a try for this festive season and let me know your opinions in the comments down below. If you liked and enjoyed this recipe, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please do so now. I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.